Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix a screen on Roblox. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you have to launch your Roblox and make sure that this is the updated version and then look for the specific game that you want to play. However, there are instances that when you open or launch the game, then it would be hard for you to set this to full screen. If this happens, then what you're going to do is to simply tap this three dots, or you can tap escape or click escape, and you should see the Roblox settings. Or you can tap this Roblox icon here and then go to settings. Then the next thing to do is to scroll down till you see full screen here. Once you see this full screen, all you have to do is to tap this arrow facing to the right to turn this one on. Once you tap this, then your Roblox game will be now in full screen. However, if you cannot see the settings, you cannot see this Roblox icon, or you cannot see these three dots, or any options right here to set your game to full screen, or Windows to full screen, what you're going to do is to apply the shortcut, and that is to enter or tap Shift plus F11 or just F11, and it will full screen your game here on your Roblox. Okay, so again, you can find the settings inside the Roblox game by tapping skip or tapping at this Roblox icon. Go to settings and look for full screen, or you can just simply tap the F11 shortcut to full screen your Roblox. And that's how you simply fix full screen on Roblox. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.